Moving on, Sonia Gandhi has hit out at the new education policy, but has been silent on claims of Hindi imposition made by the DMK government in Tamil Nadu. Now, allied DMK, remember, have been raising the Hindi imposition charge, but it has not found any support from Sonia. She slammed the new education policy, claiming the 3 Cs that haunt Indian education system today are centralization of power, commercialization and outsourcing of investments, and communalization of textbooks, curriculum, and institutions. DMK has supported Sonia Gandhi. They say this is Sanskritization of the education system and will set India back by 100 years. The Chief Minister of Maharashtra has slammed Sonia Gandhi on this. Devendra Fadnavis said Gandhi should gain more information and support the Indianization of the Indian education system.
किसी के ऊपर कोई भाषा को जबरदस्ती टोका नहीं जा सकता, जबरदस्ती नहीं। कांग्रेस की सरकार ने ही 3 लैंग्वेज फॉर्मूला दिया था, क्योंकि भाषा को लेकर हिंसा हुई थी दक्षिण भारत के कुछ राज्यों में, खास तौर से तमिलनाडु में। भाषा को लेकर जो चिंता है, जो भय है, जो शक है, उसको दूर करना जरूरी है। और दूर करना जरूरी किसकी जिम्मेदारी बनती है? केंद्र सरकार की जिम्मेदारी बनती है।
शिक्षा पद्धति में बदलाव करके अगर उसका भारतीयकरण हो रहा है तो इससे किसी को दुख होने का कारण नहीं है। कोई भी जो राष्ट्रभक्त व्यक्ति है वो यही कहेगा कि इसका भारतीयकरण होना चाहिए। मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि सोनिया जी ने इसकी पूरी जानकारी लेनी चाहिए और भारतीयकरण को पूर्ण रूप से सपोर्ट करना चाहिए।
सोनिया गांधी जी राष्ट्रीय स्वयंसेवक पर टिप्पणी करने से पहले जरा अपना गिरेबान झांकिए। ये इटली का चश्मा उतारेंगे तो आपको ध्यान में आएगा कि नेशन फर्स्ट की सोच को लेकर राष्ट्रीय स्वयंसेवक संघ पिछले 100 वर्षों से राष्ट्रीय चेतना, राष्ट्रीय चरित्र निर्माण, राष्ट्र देवो भव, राष्ट्रीय कार्य जीवन में प्रथम है और देश की सेवा ही मेरे जीवन का उद्देश्य है। इस कार्य को सामने रखकर, इसको मंत्र मानकर लगातार निरंतर तपस्या कर रहा है।
Madam Sonia Gandhi's article, which has come out recently, is more reflected on the status of Tamil Nadu. I think she has probably taken or hired the same people who are writing the script for Chief Minister M.K. Stalin, and she has copied that onto her article in the recent newspaper which has come out. The last time education reforms happened in the policy was 34 years back. The world has come a long way. And the Prime Minister feels that the children of India, the youth, needs to be equipped to take on the world, to adapt to changes, and for this he feels that education policy revamp was needed, and that is what has been done. And as far as centralization is concerned, I think the Congress should be the last party to be talking about that. From the days of emergency to today, the Congress party has been a party which is being run from the kitchen of the Gandhi's house.
I think she doesn't understand what education is. After the Congress party has ruled India for 60 years, what have they done? See, after a gap of 40 years, in fact, a new education policy was introduced in the 80s. What did they do? Things got worse. And government schools were neglected. The poor people were neglected. You allowed privatization. And since the government is not willing to spend money on education, that's exactly what was happening with the Congress rule. The private sector came. I think the private sector is also necessary, because if the government doesn't have adequate funds, resources, then obviously private sector also should have a role to play. It's a fantastic policy. And let Sonia Gandhi first of all read the NEP document. Has she read it? I'm sure she hasn't touched it.
They want though that the education should be Vedic system without any scientific base. That is what they are trying. Language is the secondary thing. That is the idea of RSS which this BJP government is following. That is what she had written. Commercialization and make money out of it. Whoever studies, make money out of it. I don't know what is this system. And further, it is a policy for making children as fools, killing the age-old system which were followed in India for quite a long time and produced very good students.